and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back. My wonderful family, please do wait to watch this video to the end because it's so interesting. This is the moment the governor of Lagos State arrived the scene to see what is going on.
The chief superintendent of police.
Where is your base?
I'm from Abuja, sir.
Okay, so you are not in Lagos State?
I'm not in Lagos. We made this place our base for the purpose of this operation, sir.
What is the operation?
The operation is all about executing the Supreme Court judgment that has to do with Magoro.
Okay, so do you have a copy of the Supreme Court?
Oh, I don't have it at hand here, but it's been given to them ever before now.
No.
It's been given to the residents ever before now.
No, the court order is not with the residents, it's with the government. So the government has been given.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So whatever court order you are talking, which you are not even competent to know, which you don't even know anything about, is not to the resident. It's a case between the supposed people and the Lagos State government.
Thank you, sir.
So it has nothing to do with the residents of the state. Please, can you call your superior in Abuja that you need to deactivate and you need to leave Lagos now? Please. Can you call your superior in Abuja and tell them that the governor is here and I'm the chief security officer and that you don't have any business being in my state right now and that I want you to disengage forthwith from here.
Thank you very much, sir. Your Excellency, sir. I'm not here on my own orders.
That's why I'm asking you to make a phone call and tell them, your superior, that I'm here, standing in front of you. Make that phone call.
Thank you, sir. I'm here on instruction of the Inspector General of Police to the AGF, sir. And that is why I'm here. I'm too small or too low to call them. Your Excellency, sir, with due respect, sir, you can call them directly, sir. So that they will ask us to leave.
So Inspector General of Police ask you to come.
I'm here on instruction of Inspector General of Police to the AGF, Attorney General of the Federation.
I have spoken to the Attorney General this morning, okay. So he's not aware that you are here.
Well, we are expecting the call that we should disengage.
That's what I'm saying to you.
Yes, sir.
Because when I make the phone call, it will be tougher. If you can call and say that the governor is here in front of you, what should you do?
It is not my duty to call because I'm too low to do that, sir. Okay. If you call...
So where are your men?
My men are here. They are all over the estate, sir.
How many men do you have here?
I have several of them, sir.
No, what number?
I cannot precisely tell you the number.
So
now,
even
sir,
if anything happens to your men, you don't even know the number of men?
I know the number of my men I have here.
What is the number?
We sought for some other people to join us now.
What is the number that you have here?
I'm sorry, sir, Your Excellency.
So you cannot even do an head count of the number you have?
For the security purpose, I cannot say this is the figure, sir.
So you don't know the number of men?
I know the number, but for security purpose, I cannot say this is the figure, sir.
So you know I'm the one talking to you?
Yes,
sir. So you're
an
assistant, what is it?
I'm a chief superintendent of police.
Oh, CSP?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So pressmen, don't worry. I'll make 2 phone calls, right? One to the Inspector General of Police and one to the Attorney General of Police, Attorney Inspector of the Federation. I have spoken with him this morning and says he knows nothing about the fact that they're still here. Very illegal operation. They have absolutely nothing, and I'm the chief security of the state. Not even with the Inspector General wrote me, and before I said Jack Robinson, his men are here. They are not from the Lagos State Police Command, like you have said, right? They are not from Lagos State Police Command. He says it's coming from Abuja, and I don't know what other interest do they have beyond just keeping peace of the country. This is not an expectation that I will expect for them to keep peace, because they don't have any business here at all. The case is between the state government and I'm this governor standing in front of you, not with my residents. These are my residents that have been
There's a letter submitted to your office, and I have the copy here. And the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Command.
I have since written back to your Inspector General of Police The same letter you are talking
Yes, I
about.
have a copy, yes, sir.
I have since written back. If your boss hasn't given you, I have since written
Okay,
back
sir.
to him
Thank
on
you,
that
sir.
letter you are
Thank
saying.
you, sir.
So you have one leg, you don't have the other leg. And that's why I'm asking how many men you have it. You say you don't know.
I know the number. But for security purposes, I'm not saying what the number.
And I'm asking
Thank you,
you,
sir.
and I've asked you that you should make a phone call. You refuse to make a phone call. I will make a phone call, right? And I'm sure they'll give you the order.
Thank you, sir.
Why I'm asking you to know your men is that I want to be sure that every man you brought into this estate, you can account for and you can take them out of this place before we have a complete breakdown of law and order. And you'll be taken responsible for it.
Thank you, sir.
Full responsibility you'll be taking for it.
Thank you, sir.
Gentlemen, give me 5 minutes. I'll make those 2 phone calls.
This is unacceptable. I never expected this governor to be this calm. He have a very strong patience. He's so calm, trying to handle this situation in a very peaceful way. Come on, let's think about it. This is unacceptable. This is so wrong. The rate of disobedience is so high. What is all this? Does that mean that for real or for truth, Nigeria does not belong to everybody, including the governor and the chief governor, like the sitting governor, the head of all of them is in that particular place, and see the rate of disobedience. He respects the other general, that is the ones that is above him, more than the governor himself. Can't you see? The governor is even asking him questions. He don't even want to respond. Like, he don't want to give him any straightforward answer to a governor. This is the height of it. This is what they are saying, that Nigeria does not belong to everybody. These are some of the evidence whereby a lot of people adapting or saying that Nigeria does not belong to everybody. You don't have to blame the people that said they want to go, because if this type of attitude rendered right now or displayed, demonstrated in the eyes of everybody, that the governor of Lagos State don't even have right or say in this particular issue, then we need to be asking ourselves some questions. And again, the FG or whosoever that sent him or sent them right from Abuja, and those properties as well belong to the governor. So I don't really know what is going on. Honestly, I don't really have anything to say, because some persons, they've already know the truth, but they don't want to speak the truth. He said, know the truth, speak the truth, deal on the truth, and it shall set you free. This is the same thing that happened in Ash and SARS. Everybody is saying that they are not aware of the order, even including the governor said he don't know anything about the order of deleting people in that toll gate. You see? So where are we going? As for me, I know where I'm going already, okay? That is why people are asking for referendum, because they can't bear. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. What happened in Lagos State, and you watch it, you see it. The man from Abuja have more upper hand, even more than the city governor of Lagos State, disobeying the governor live and direct. Believe in control and command from Abuja. This is the height of it. Thank you so dearly once again for watching. I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.